This is a standing hip mobilization for internal rotation. You're going to stand in a kickstand setup, similar to what you would do for a kickstand deadlift. You're going to hinge your hips back almost all the way, and then I'm going to drop this leg or this hip down to internally rotate the leg I'm standing on. As you drop into that rotation, you want to be sure not to let the knee move outward. So, kickstand setup, hinge back, keep the knee over the foot, drop this hip inward. So we're rotating the hip I'm standing on, putting a stretch through that glute, and coming back up. This is the standing hip mobilization for internal rotation.